Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Prestonpans. We're going to be seeing services from ScotRail, LNER and CrossCountry. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is an LNER service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. And that was 801225. Passing through now is an LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. So passing through there, we had an LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley, which was 801205. And passing through there, we had a cross-country service from Edinburgh Waverley to Bristol Templemeads, which I unfortunately couldn't get the numbers of, but it was two Class 220s combined together. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Dunbar. And that's 385006 and 385032. Arriving in now is the 1244 ScotRail service from North Berwick to Edinburgh Waverley. And this one is 380116. I do apologise for the poor filming on this clip, guys. There was 800-104 on an LNER service from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. And departing out now is a 1244 ScotRail service from North Berwick to Edinburgh Waverley. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Bristol Templemeads to Edinburgh Waverley. And that was 220020 and was the 0634 off of Bristol Templemeads. So I believe that's the second cross-country departure of the day. And the first one being the 0615 on a weekday, so this is being filmed on a weekday. Arriving in now is the 1255 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to North Berwick. And the front is 385003. And the rear is 385036. Departing out now is the 1255 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to North Berwick. Passing through now is an LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. And that is 801215. Passing through there was 801211 on an LNER service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. Passing through now is an LNER service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. And that was 801223. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Edinburgh Waverley to Plymouth. And that was 221120. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.